The Revolt of 1857. Hello everyone, welcome to Kabir Harsh. We will be talking about the Revolt of 1857. So let's get started. देखिए सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं origin of the revolt. On 27th March 1857, Mangal Pandey, a soldier from 34 native Hudson and Bagh, on the parade ground of Calcutta. Mutiny started 10th May 1857. रिवोल्ट का जो टाइमिंग है वो है ये ओरिजिनल टाइम और डेट है 10th May 1857 where the sepoy were punished not to use greased cartridges. The soldier broke the jail and marched overnight to Delhi. On 11th May 1857, the soldier, with the help of local soldiers and civilians, seized the Delhi city and proclaimed 82 years old Bahadur Shah Zafar and proclaimed him as Shahenshah Hindustan, Emperor of India. Now we talk about causes of revolt. The revolt was the combination of political, social, religious, and military causes. It was the important landmark in the history of India at the time of Lord. उस टाइम पे जो गवर्नर जनरल थे वो थे लॉर्ड कैनिंग. अब सबसे पहले पॉलिटिकल कॉज. नाना साहेब was refused pension as he was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II. Adopted son. Doctrine of lapse. इसके बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. Awadh was annexed in 1856 on charge of maladministration, means misgovernment. Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur and Sambalpur were annexed by doctrine of lapse. Now we talk about economic cause. Heavy taxation on Indians. We have read in Drain of Wealth theory. Forcibly eviction, discrimination, discriminatory tariff policy against Indian products, exploitation of handicraft peasants and artisans. These all in Drain of Wealth theory given. Now we talk about social religious cause. Abolition of Sati, 1829 by Lord William Bentinck. Widow Remarriage Act, 1856 by Lord Dalhousie. These were the two major social reforms which was done by the British, but Indians thought it is our society, why they are hampering it. After that, military cause, discrimination with Indian soldiers. The Sikh were not to wear pug. They were forced to travel abroad, eat food, non-veg. So this was the discrimination with Indian soldiers. Now we talk about the main cause. The main cause of 1857 was introduction of Enfield rifle having greased cartridges of beef made of beef and pork. The soldiers have to chew before loading the rifle. अब ये सीधा सीधा सा किस्सा आप समझ लीजिए कि एक एनफील्ड राइफल इंट्रोड्यूस हुई, उसकी जो गोली होती थी, जो उसकी जो राइफल की बुलेट्स थी, उसके ऊपर पहले राइफल को ऊपर से लोड किया जाता था बैरल से, तो उसकी जो बुलेट्स हुआ करती थी उसके ऊपर एक कवरिंग होती थी, जो कवरिंग को ये माना गया उसमें कि उसके ऊपर जो चमड़ा यूज हुआ है वो गाय और सुअर के चर्बी से बना हुआ है, जो हिंदू के लिए गाय पवित्र और मुस्लिम के लिए पोर्क। तो it was the main cause which revolted 1857। अब सेंटर्स ऑफ रिवोल्ट देख लेते हैं। दिल्ली 11 में 1857, यहाँ पे थे आपके बहादुर शाह जफर और बख्त खान इनके कमांडिंग ऑफिसर थे। इसको सप्रेस किया गया ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर जॉन निकलसन ने। कानपुर 4 जून 1857, नाना साहेब, इनका ओरिजिनल नेम धुंधुपन था, एक बार आ चुका है पीएससी में पहले भी। तांत्या टोपे रामचंद्र पांडुरंग, ये भी उनका ओरिजिनल नाम था, ये पहले भी पीएससी में पूछा जा चुका है। कॉलिन कैंपबेल थे जिन्होंने सप्रेस किया ऑफिसर ने। लखनऊ 4 जून 1857, महल, सेम कॉलिन कैंपबेल। झांसी 4 जून 1857, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, सर ह्यूज रोज। इलाहाबाद 5 जून 1857, लियाकत अली, कर्नल नील। जगदीशपुर बिहार अगस्त 1857, कुंवर सिंह एंड अमर सिंह, विलियम टेलर एंड विंसेंट अय्यर, these were the officers who suppressed the movement in different parts of the country। अब ब्रिटिश सप्रेशन एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं। बहादुर शाह सेकंड was captured by the British and deported to Rangoon, where he died in 1862, and all his sons were dead earlier, which came to an end of the Mughal Empire, so-called biggest Mughal empire came to an end। Nana Sahib, Begum Hazrat Mahal, and Khan Bahadur Khan were escaped to Nepal। Tantia Tope was captured by the British and was executed 15th April 1859। Rani Lakshmibai was died in the battlefield. Sir Hugh Groves, described as the best and bravest military leader of the rebel. Kuwar Singh was wounded and died on 26th April 1858। Now we talk about failure of revolt. The main cause of the failure of revolt are disunity of India, poor organization। देखिए इसका सीधा सीधा सा सिंपल सा है कि not even 1% were united to fight against British। Poor organization because British were more advanced as compared to them। Lack of complete nationalism where other helped the British। अब लैक ऑफ कंप्लीट नेशनलिज्म को इस तरह से देखिए आप कि किसी को भी पूरी कंट्री से ब्रिटिश को हटाना नहीं था। दे वांटेड फ्रॉम देयर ओन टेरिटरी टू रिमूव ब्रिटिश। लैक ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन सिपाही peasants and other classes that we have read because of this unity। Many had different motives for revolt that we also read because of their own territory। English re-established their authority in India during July-December 1858। So this was the end of revolt of 1857. It was there was some selected opinions. V.D. Savarkar in 1909 said first war of independence, first Indian War of Independence 1857 to 59. There was a book by Karl Marx, and British claimed it was just a sepoy mutiny, not any revolt.